The University of Bristol is home to more than 10 scanning probe microscopes, including a high-speed atomic force microscope. Atomic force microscopy, also known as AFM, is a technique that uses a sharp tip attached to a cantilever to scan across a sample to generate an image. The equipment images and maps physical properties on a nanoscale and gives quantitative information about the electrical, mechanical and biological properties of the sample.
Customer applications include analysing semiconductors, cell membranes, proteins, 2D materials, nanoparticles and alloy samples. Our high-speed AFM is a unique facility in the UK. It is capable of mapping and characterising nanostructures over millimetre-sized areas, collecting measurements no other tool can.
One of the really key advantages of the high-speed AFM is it gives us the ability to be quite flexible how we collect data. It's a really important part of corrosion science. Sometimes things happen very fast when there's a dynamic phase of a reaction. In other cases, you're actually having to wait for a little while. You're more interested in a wider image of a material surface.
The high-speed AFM is thousands of times faster than conventional AFMs, allowing us to observe nano and microscale processes in real time in gaseous or liquid environments. This means we can observe changes on the millisecond timescale, for example the corrosion of materials, crystal formation, or even biological molecular processes.
This new instrument provides an unprecedented level of sample throughput at the nanoscale. This permits measurements with far greater statistical confidence and unlocks the ability to directly observe nanoscale processes in real time.
I'd absolutely recommend working with the team here at University of Bristol. We've had some really exciting results and it's been a great collaboration.
Our team love to work on applied problems in partnership with industry, so don't hesitate to contact us to find out the benefits of AFM.